Hi ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. Before I begin, I do want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Know that I truly appreciate you. Now these are the Zinnia Clips. They are from the Spring-Summer 2012 collection. Now these clips are retired. The item number is 790953AM, and the AM stands for amethyst. And they originally retailed for $120, give or take. And I was very lucky to get them for $65. They are rather hard to find these days, especially as a pair. I did purchase these pre-loved. And I did buy them individually from two different sellers. The first purchase was the best price at $20, and the other was slightly more expensive at $45. But still, for $65, it was a great deal. Now, the cool factor about these are that they are genuine amethyst cabochons. Now, the cabochons may seem a little bit small, but it is the perfect size. The other detail that I love about these is that the flowers have recessed edges, which makes the floral designs pop. Now, the Hallmark is S925ALE, and I will show you that close up at the end of the video. When purchasing these Zinnia Clips, please ensure that the cabochons are damage-free and highly polished. Now, with time, cleaning methods, and wear, it may affect its shine. When you do polish, do cover the cabochons with your fingertips just to prevent the loss of shine, because it will happen if you don't cover the cabochons. Because basically the cabochons, they are highly polished. There is no lacquer or anything on top of the amethyst. It's simply polished to a high sheen. Now, when I did get them, one was highly oxidized and the other one was barely oxidized. So I did fix that by re-oxidizing them. And I did have to leave one a little bit longer than the other, just so I was able to achieve the closest match. So now, as you can see, they look pretty fantastic and they match. The oxidation level that I aim for is kind of a shiny gunmetal color. It's one or two notches away from black. That is the perfect oxidation level that you want because it still has shine. When it's too oxidized and it goes black, it doesn't really have any type of sheen to it. So now I'm going to rotate the clips just to show you guys how bright the amethyst cabochons are, because like I mentioned, it's under a very bright light. And I'm just going to rotate it so you get to see that beautiful, beautiful purple color. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, the one thing with Pandora, when they do add gemstones, you're never going to get the same color. So again, your purple amethysts, they're going to vary in color. And again, look at that brightness. That's so gorgeous. Now, these are very easy to clean, simply because you do want to keep the oxidation that is on these clips. So you don't want to clean it too much. Now here we do have the hinge, and we do have the floral design on both sides. So 2 cabochons each clip. These are simply they're absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with these yet, but I'm very happy with them. I'm happy with my purchase, and I'm really impressed at the craftsmanship of these clips. They are older. I mean, they are from 2012. That's a little while ago. And again, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to style these beauties yet, so do stay tuned. Now I'm just going to show you the inside of the clip so that you can see the Hallmark. Right, so here we do have the Hallmark, and it does say S with a space 925 ALE. If you do wear this on a bangle, you will need black silicone grips, just to prevent it from sliding from left to right. Now this is the little silicone grip that I'm talking about. Now these, you can get them at your Pandora store. They usually only give a pair, but if you ask nicely and tell them how many bangles you have, they may give you 2 or 3 pairs. Maybe, depending how nice you are. Again, these stop the clip on a bangle from going left to right. And if you do wear these on a snake chain bracelet, I do strongly recommend that you add a silicone stopper, which are the clear ones that you can buy off of Amazon. And what you do is you actually, like, say, pretend this is the clip station on a snake chain bracelet. I would just put the silicone stopper either on the left or the right, and then close the clip on it. And what that will do is it will stop it from rotating. You all know that I don't like showing the hinge. So if you don't like showing the hinge, I do strongly recommend that you use the silicone stoppers that you could find on Amazon.ca or .com. If you like this video, click like. If you wish to subscribe, I would love it. And if you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos.